Want to change the email address connected to your Instagram account? In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram email address quickly and easily. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. From here, select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account Center. Once you're inside Account Center, tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Now scroll down and select Contact Info, where you'll see your current email address. To change it, tap on Add New Contact, then select Add Email Address. Now enter the new email address you want to use for your Instagram account. Make sure your Instagram account is selected, then tap on Next. Instagram will now send a verification code to your new email address. Open your email inbox, copy the confirmation code, and return to the Instagram app. Enter the code and tap on Next to verify your email address. And that's it. Your new email address has now been successfully added to your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.